Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to add a vended product such as postcards or door hangers onto an InkSoft store as a pre-decorated item. So the first thing that I did is I went ahead and I found the approved artwork for the item that we were uploading here. And what I did first is I created the SKU. So the SKU is going to start with the department, so in this case VP for vended product, underscore, and that's just going to be the description of the item. Underscore, we've got S1 and S2 for side 1, side 2, and then underscore customer name. In this case, it's been abbreviated just to keep that SKU down. And the other thing to note is that where there is any type of markings like the die lines for these hangers, we just want to make sure that those are on a non-printing layer, and you can see because it's italicized. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to do an artboard export, and we're just going to do a JPEG at 1,000 pixels and 1,000 pixels wide, as well as a PDF. And we're going to make sure that we've got both of them selected. And then if there isn't already a folder for this web store, go ahead and create one, starting with a period and then the customer name. And then we're going to start separating these folders by department. And now we're going to find or create the folder for the desired product. So we've already created it. Now we're going to export. The other thing to note is that I screenshotted the details on 4over, which is where we're vending these products to, for the exact specs, as well as the price, and there's a reference order in there, just because that information won't carry over. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to InkSoft, and we're going to create a new product, add new product, new pre-decorated product, and then upload from a computer. Okay, and now we're going to name the product, so and we're going to do vertical line break with the quantity, and the quantity is going to be 500. If we were offering multiple quantities of this, we wouldn't put it in the name, but since we're only offering 500, we will go ahead and put it in the name. We're also going to do another line break and put in what the finishing is for this particular product. So this is going to be 14 point, and the finish is matte 4/4. Another vertical line break, and the customer name. Okay, you're just going to copy all that and paste it into the description. Supplier, you would now choose the vendor, so 4over. Manufacturer, we're going to select as Kaizink. There is no size chart, so now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our SKU, and we're going to remove the side on there. And we're just going to paste that into both of these SKU sections here, and then in the search tags we can just put in thank you mirror hangers, and maybe tags. Okay, now we're going to hit save. Okay, this is front and back, so we're going to select back here. Under the size, we're going to do 8.5 by 6.5, which is the size. And as far as the weight, I'm just going to do 160 ounces. And we're going to set it as an active product. And the store is going to be Jackson Jet Center. All this can stay the same. Processing, since this is a vendor product, we're going to do 14. If it was something in-house, we would set it at 10. Okay, that looks good, so we're going to save it. Color and images, here is where we're going to upload the JPEGs that we saved. So we're going to go to front, upload. Just go ahead and find that folder that you saved everything to. Drop in your side 1. Drop in your side 2. Color name, we're going to put in the quantity here, because if we were offering multiple quantities, you could create additional colors and name them the different quantities, and that way the customer will see the quantity, and there will be a drop down, and you could set different pricing per your colors. At this point here, let me get up. You can go ahead and put in the supplier cost if you have it, and then as well as put in the customer price. Save it. Okay, so now we're good to go. We're not going to enforce any inventory. So now if we come over here to the Jackson Jet store and we go to store admin, you're going to see that we now have this product populate. And so now we're going to go to style editor, and you could go ahead and drop it into the homepage. And one thing that I left out is we should probably put a black stroke on the file itself. But that's it. Thanks for watching.